everyone, welcome to my channel. Now, today we're going to play Playdough, straws, and Playdough toys.
We got this Playdough bag from Target, and it's a bag that includes 15 cans or pots of Playdough, and these are good for ages 2 and up. You're gonna pick out all of the colors. Let's get this voice over.
A lot.
Let's see.
First, we have to put on the
Okay, 1 second. These are also toxic free. So, and they make great party favors as well.
Yeah, these are little Play-Doh.
Okay, so let's see. What are these?
These are stickers and something.
Okay, tell YouTube the colors of your Play-Doh.
Green, pink, blue, pink, light blue.
This is light blue, and this is dark blue.
And orange, yellow, purple, orange, and orange, purple, pink, blue, green.
Good job. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna use all of these at the same time because we have 2 purple. Get the purple one for mine.
Yeah.
You get to use one of these, and I'll put one away. You can have an orange.
Can I have just pink?
Okay, you can have that pink. You can have one yellow.
Now let me get you some.
Okay, hold on. Let me hold the stickers. You can have a blue. Which green do you want?
I want the light green.
This is the dark green.
I want dark green.
Okay?
But I'm very dark.
Okay, and we can put these aside for another day.
Now,
Okay, show us your stickers.
this is red sticker. You can hold it with
You want to put that after? You get to choose 5 more stickers. So this is really good for helping small children develop their motor skills or tactile skills, as some people would say. So peeling off the stickers, that's a good way to help them develop those muscles in their hands and also their tactile and motor skills. I think that's it, baby. Okay, one. That's it.
No.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need.
Oh, try another one.
Okay, let's try it on.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get her, get these open for her. So these are really hard to get out of the container, but I'm having her use a spoon to scoop out Play-Doh. It requires a little bit of effort, but she's getting there. As I said, the focus of this video is just to help her with her motor skills or tactile skills. Help develop her all the strength in her fingers, her hands. but she needed help with actually opening up the containers. You got it?
Yes.
I know, it's a lot.
Hi.
Good save. I like the green one.
Okay, yes. Now we go get the green one for you.
No, that's okay. I'm gonna let you do all of the work today.
Okay.
Okay, so you have some toys. Which ones are you gonna use?
I'm going to use this one and this one.
Okay. Let me see you use them.
Now I just going to do it like that.
I'm just making some room for you to work.
Thank you.
What are you making there?
A heart shape.
A heart shape.
Yeah. A heart shape is good for you.
A heart shape is good for you?
It's good for your belly.
It's good for your belly.
Yeah. You say boom boom. Almost done.
You gotta roll that out some more. Good. That was a good one. All right, that's good. Yeah.
Is that good?
I think that's good.
Okay, let's put the favorite. Put the heart shape. Sit down. Let's see if it work.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really.
Well, you probably want to peel it up from here. You know? There you go. It's beautiful. Show them your heart. Good. It's so pretty.
Yeah, stuff like cheese.
It looks like cheese.
Yeah.
The yellow one.
And now I'm going to choose. I'm going to
Some scissors.
scissors.
Yeah.
First, I'm going to roll it.
Okay.
Press it down. Hi.
You're doing good. So guys, these are really good. Play-Doh is really good and for helping the kids learn colors and just getting creative. I know we showed you the straws today, but I think just using these toys, that's good enough for her. And the point of the video, the purpose of the video was just to kind of show you how one way we can use Play-Doh to help develop your children's fine motor skills and to review colors and just let them have fun and have a good time. Play-Doh is so much fun, right?
I can't take it out. I know, let's do it again.
Isn't Play-Doh fun?
Yeah, Play-Doh's really fun. Let's choose the other one.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah, let's choose the other one. I'm going to use green.
That's my favorite.
This is my favorite.
What do you want me to do?
Just roll it.
You want me to help you?
Then
Are you getting tired?
no.
No? Okay, I think that's the best I have right now. So how are you gonna use the scissors?
The cats.
This is a really great way for your kids to start learning how to use a pair of scissors.
The Play-Doh scissors.
Yeah, Play-Doh scissors.
No, I want to make sausage.
Sausage?
Yeah.
Green sausage?
Yeah, green sausage.
But
I'm just kidding.
you're just kidding.
Yeah. That's why I'm going to make green lettuce.
Lettuce?
Yeah, lettuce.
That makes more sense. Can I have a piece of lettuce?
I had to cook it first.
You have to cook the lettuce.
Yeah.
But I'm really hungry.
No. It's not finished yet.
It's not.
No, it's not.
But I'm super hungry.
Okay, hold on. Let me hold. I'm going to cut it. This is coming. There you go. Now, guys, I'm just going to just scramble it like a lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Scramble like a lettuce. Scramble like a lettuce.
You're rolling the lettuce? That's kind of strange. Eat my lettuce now.
Sure.
Yum, 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 yum. It's tasty.
It's tasty.
Mm-hmm. Can I have another one?
Sure.
Mm-hmm. So good.
Do you want a drink?
I don't want a drink. I want you to make me an ice lolly.
An ice lolly?
Yeah.
So the ice lolly is coming right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now where's the other cover?
I don't know. That's okay.
That's okay. I'll figure it out.
What are you making there?
Oh, the ice lolly.
An ice lolly?
Yeah. The ice lolly is coming right now.
Okay.
You just need to fix it. Now, put it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn it around.
Maybe turn it the other way then.
Okay. How do I turn it?
Try to figure it out.
Like this.
Didn't you just try that way? Try the other way then. Yeah. Alright.
Mommy, you put this back and say Play-Doh.
Yes, I know. It says Play-Doh. Let me see. It does say Play-Doh.
Yes, yes, secret.
This is my ice lolly. Is it a watermelon flavor?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Thank you. What is this toy?
This toy is making some donuts.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm making some donuts.
Okay. So I'm going to tell everyone bye and we're going to continue playing here, okay?
Okay.
So tell them thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Subscribe below.
Subscribe below.
Subscribe.
Subscribe below.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.